Welcome to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will delve deeper into Byte's Trade Protection module, focusing on functions within the module, the search function, filters, and the data table. The Trade Protection module has over 30 commodity-focused lists consolidated into one place for ease of reference. Many of the commodities have been mapped to HS codes. We aim to consolidate these commodity-based lists in one place for efficient risk management efforts. Upon opening the module, the Trade Protection dashboard automatically appears. This module is different from the others because it has three dashboards in one module: HS codes and Schedule B, regimes, conventions, controls, and patent data. The HS Codes and Schedule B dashboard has a simple search function if you'd like to confirm the correct US HTS code or Schedule B code. The Regimes, Conventions, Controls dashboard contains lists of licensable, risky, or dual-use commodities. The Patent dashboard includes two datasets: details of patents related to critical and emerging technologies, and patent data on all 14 million patents filed in the US. At the top, you'll see a search bar. This search bar appears at the top of all the modules. The search function only searches on the dashboard you currently have opened. For example, if you search while you're in the HS Codes and Schedule B dashboard, it will not return results from the patent dashboard. Enter your keywords and press Enter to retrieve relevant search results. There are different filters on each of the three dashboards within the Trade Protection module, but they all work the same. They are cascading, meaning you have to select the first filter before the options in the next filter are available. Filters can be applied with or without the search function, and you can make multiple selections within each filter. Table of records. The results of your query are displayed in the records table below the filters and dashboard count. Here are some important features of the table. Results are paginated, with 50 results per page. Each record in the table has an arrow next to its name. Clicking on this arrow opens the full record, providing additional information that may not be visible in the table view. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Trade Protection module. Don't forget, there is an easy-to-follow user manual that takes you through the module in more detail if you need it. The Trade Protection module is an efficient tool for enhancing your company's trade screening capabilities. Thank you for choosing Byte. If you ever run into issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at byte@newborders.com. Our support team is here to help.